EtherFi, a decentralized and non-custodial liquid staking platform, recently closed a $5.3 million fundraising round. It aims to have 100,000 Ether staked by mid-2023. This is due to an increasing interest from Ether holders in liquid staking platforms, despite the SEC setting its sights on staking in the US. EtherFi's answer is to allow users to maintain control of their keys while delegating Ethereum validator operations to a node operator. This node operator is represented as a non-fungible token. The protocol is set to launch at ETH on March 4th. This article provides an overview of EtherFi, a decentralized and non-custodial liquid staking platform. The platform has recently closed a $5.3 million fundraising round, and is aiming to have 100,000 Ether staked by mid-2023. Liquid staking has recently replaced decentralized finance as the second largest crypto sector, and EtherFi's non-custodial model is gaining traction, with Maelstrom, a family office founded by Arthur Hayes, investing in the protocol. The protocol is set to launch at ETH on March 4th. Ripple Labs has released 1 billion XRP tokens in March. As part of its regular program, 1 billion tokens are withdrawn from escrow accounts on the first day of each month. Ripple's actual amount of released tokens is much less, since the majority are usually locked back in escrow. Of the 62 billion that Ripple has unlocked since 2018, it has put 50 billion 100 million XRP back, with 43 billion 100 million XRP still locked. This article provides a clear overview of the release of XRP tokens from Ripple Labs escrow accounts over the past 5 years. It explains that Ripple has been releasing 1 billion XRP tokens each month, with the majority of these tokens being locked back into escrow. It also explains that the funds released are used to cover operational costs and to send XRP to customers. This article highlights that Ripple still holds 43 billion 100 million XRP tokens in escrow. Bitcoin and Ether both managed to end February in the green, with Bitcoin recording a modest gain of 0.04% and Ether climbing 1.27%. Regulatory challenges posed by the US had a muted impact on the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin bounced back in late February due to favorable news from Hong Kong. This article is a fair assessment of the market performance of Bitcoin and Ether in February. It provides an insightful look at the factors that have had an impact on their respective performances, such as the regulatory clampdown in the US and the news out of Hong Kong. The figures provided also help to paint a clearer picture of the situation. Margaux Nijkerk reports on blockchain protocols, with a focus on the Ethereum ecosystem. In March, the Shanghai upgrade, or Shapella, will enable the release of staked Ether withdrawals. The Optimism Layer 2 scaling system will have a major upgrade, known as Bedrock. Polygon is also coming out with its own zero-knowledge rollup in March. Timelines for these upgrades are still being determined. The heightened level of activity in the Ethereum arena suggests that the solutions may come sooner rather than later. This article accurately and thoroughly describes the various upgrades and launches happening in the Ethereum ecosystem, providing important dates to keep in mind. Margaux Nijkerk reports on blockchain protocols with a focus on the Ethereum ecosystem and provides an excellent overview of the Shanghai upgrade, Optimism's Bedrock upgrade, and Polygon's zero-knowledge rollup. It also gives insight into which projects may be the first to launch their rollup solutions. Overall, this is a well-written article that is a useful resource for anyone looking to keep up with the latest developments in the Ethereum space. Bitcoin rose on Wednesday as encouraging manufacturing data from China improved risk appetites in global markets. This led to the US dollar weakening and risk assets such as Bitcoin and stocks rising. Hong Kong recently warmed up to crypto. The possibility of large amounts of retail wealth flowing into crypto is creating a positive sentiment. From a technical analysis standpoint, a move above the February highs of around $25,000 is needed to strengthen the immediate bullish bias. This article reviews the recent surge in Bitcoin prices on Wednesday due to upbeat China manufacturing data alleviating global growth concerns and improving risk appetite in global financial markets. The article explains how the positive news out of China affected the US dollar and other global currencies, leading to a risk-on recovery in Asian equity indices and other major European indices and futures. Additionally, the article examines the correlation between BTC and other risk assets, such as stocks, and highlights the importance of liquidity injections by the People's Bank of China in keeping risk assets bid. Finally, The article provides technical analysis suggesting that a move above $25,000 is needed to strengthen the immediate bullish bias. Cryptocurrency community members recently discussed the potential success of so-called Ethereum killers. They also discussed their ability to dethrone the Ethereum network. Although some expressed hope that these blockchains could compete with Ethereum, the general consensus was that Ethereum is entrenched in the Layer 1 market. No killer will be able to kill it. This discussion was prompted by a recent issue on the Solana blockchain, which caused disruption to user transactions. This article highlights the discussion among cryptocurrency community members concerning the potential of Ethereum killers to dethrone the Ethereum network. The community members had differing opinions, ranging from those who argued that no Ethereum killer can ever succeed, to those who suggested that the term Ethereum killer should be dropped. There were also those who argued that Ethereum could still fail, despite its current adoption rate. The article also touched on the recent network issues experienced by the Solana blockchain, which had some members of the community mocking it as a transaction killer. Overall, this article provides a snapshot of the conversation among cryptocurrency community members surrounding the potential of Ethereum killers. Ether's price declined by 9.8% between February 19 and February 25. However, the correction was insufficient to break the 6-week-long ascending channel, suggesting a strong level of resilience. This can be partially explained by the operational failures of some of its smart contract blockchain competitors. Regulatory environment remains shady for cryptocurrencies. Visa and MasterCard are delaying the launch of new partnerships until market conditions improve. Ethereum's Shapella testnet was successfully hard-forked on February 28 in preparation for the Shanghai upgrade. Analysis of Ether futures and options markets suggests that traders are conservatively bullish. They trust that the current ascending pattern will continue, unless the price breaks below the channel support at $1,520. This article provides an in-depth analysis of the Ethereum market, focusing on both the price action and derivatives data. It is apparent that the price of Ether declined by nearly 10% between February 19 and February 25, but the correction did not break the 6-week-long ascending channel and derivatives metrics were not bearish. The article also covers the operational failure of some of its smart contract blockchain competitors, the regulatory environment, and the successful hard fork of the Shapella testnet. Finally, the article explains that options and futures markets signal that professional traders are conservatively bullish and trust that the ascending pattern will hold, unless Ether breaks below the channel support at $1,520.